Apple just dropped the iPhone 17 lineup. And this year, things are interesting. This year's lineup has 4 new phones. The base iPhone 17, the new iPhone 17 Air, the Pro, and of course, the ProMax. Some upgrades make sense. Some choices are strange. And a couple of them will have you asking, why? Let's break it down. First, the iPhone 17. Design? Pretty much the same as last year. New colors, that's it. But the display finally gets the upgrade we've been waiting for. It's 6.3 inches. Runs at 120 Hz with ProMotion and LTPO. Always on display. 3000 nits of peak brightness. A new anti-reflective coating. And Ceramic Shield 2 on the front. 3 times more scratch resistant. Inside, the A19 chip. Faster. More efficient. Apple claims 8 extra hours of video playback. Charging? 50% in 20 minutes. The cameras, both 48 megapixels on the back. A new 18 megapixel selfie cam. And it can shoot in multiple aspect ratios without rotating the phone. Super useful. Storage starts at 256 gigs. Price? $799. Now the Pro and the Pro Max. These get an aluminum alloy frame for better thermals. And a brand new camera bar across the back. That also makes room for a bigger battery. Under the hood, these have the A19 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU. And for the first time on iPhone, a vapor cooling chamber. Which means no throttling while gaming or editing video. Battery life? Apple says 39 hours of video playback. That's more than last year's Pro Max. Displays? Brighter than ever. 3000 nits. Same anti-reflective coating. Same Ceramic Shield 2. Sizes are 6.3 and 6.9 inches. Cameras? All 3 are 48 megapixels. The telephoto now goes up to 8 times optical zoom. Plus dual video capture, ProRes RAW, and Genlock support for pro setups. Storage goes from 256 gigs up to 2 terabytes. Pro starts at $999. Pro Max starts at $1199. And finally, the iPhone Air. Not 17 Air, just iPhone Air. It's insanely thin, 5.6 millimeters. First impression, crazy engineering. Second impression, maybe don't sit on it. It has a 6.5-inch ProMotion display. Same coatings and same Ceramic Shield 2. Inside is the A19 Pro chip with 1 less GPU core. And it's the only iPhone this year made of titanium. To save space, components are stacked inside the camera bump. It's eSIM only. No millimeter wave 5G. 148 megapixel rear camera. And the new selfie cam. The problem? Battery. There just isn't much of it. Apple says all-day battery life. But they also launched a special MagSafe battery pack just for this phone. That tells you everything. Price? $999. Which actually makes it more expensive than the regular iPhone 17. Even though that phone has a better camera system and bigger battery. So the Air only makes sense if you care about thinness above everything else. It feels incredible in person, but it's giving first-gen MacBook Air vibes. Cool idea. Not practical. Maybe a glimpse of the future. So that's the iPhone 17 lineup. The regular model finally gets ProMotion. The Pros push performance and battery life further. And the Air is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. Would you buy the Air just for how it feels? Or stick with the Pro Max for the big battery and cameras? Tell me in the comments. As always, Apple pricing is sensible, infuriating, and weird, all at once. Just classic Apple. So, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed it, then hit that like button and maybe hit that subscribe button too while you are at it. And stay tuned for the reviews of AirPods Pro 3, Watch Series 11, and Watch Ultra 3, which are coming soon. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know about the best Android flagship you can buy under $700, then check out this video. I will meet you there. But before going, take a look at this boss fight.
アシナは、この国は俺のすべてだ。俺はこのアシナを守るためならば、どのような異端の力であれ、従えてみせる。巴の神なり、見せてやろう。